Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to start 2017 GMC Acadia with Key step by step. First, insert the key into the ignition slot on the steering column, then turn it firmly to the accessory position and pause briefly. Next, continue turning to start the engine while releasing the key as the motor catches. If it does not start, try again while holding the brake and ensuring fuel and battery are ready. If your Acadia won't start, stay calm and try a few quick checks that help most times. Inspect the battery terminals for corrosion and tighten any loose cables before retrying the key turn. Confirm the fuel gauge shows sufficient fuel and that the security light is not flashing. If you hear rapid clicking, that usually means low battery power, so try a jump start or call roadside assistance for help. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more how-to content for you. Quick recommendation. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is my go-to for keeping floors clean after car work. It has voice control and smart navigation, which saves time and hassle. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Safety matters when working with ignition systems and vehicles in general, so please follow simple precautions. Make sure the vehicle is in park and the parking brake is set before you turn the key. Don't crank the engine for longer than recommended to avoid starter damage, and step away if you smell fuel or see smoke. When in doubt, call a professional mechanic to prevent injury or further damage to your car.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.